Hi, my name's Hugh from the Mini Specialist, and today I'm going to take you around this 2001 Mini 1. Before I do, let me show you what we do. So this is our showroom, full of minis. And this is our service workshop. We have 3 ramps, and this is where we do all the mechanical work. So this is our body shop. We have a full-size spray booth, and then down this side we've got 2 prep bays. And this is our spares library. So let's get back to the car in hand. This 2001 Mini 1 was one of the very first off the production line, and sitting here today has done 25,000 miles in 20 years, nearly 26,000 if I'm being accurate. And look at it, it's pretty amazing for a 20-year-old car. It's just passed an MOT with no advisories. We've given it a machine polish because there was some fading to the paint, nothing significant, there's no peeling. And there's no chips or dents that I can see. Wheels are in good condition, starts and runs well. Pretty amazing for a 20-year-old car. So coming close, you can see paintwork is all good, and the wheel is unblemished, good tread. Going down this side, there's no major dents. There's a bit of oxidization on this mirror back. Coming down this side, there's no dents on the rear quarter. Really good wheel, good tread of the tyre. The roof is looking amazing. Coming around the back, I'm surprised at the quality of the paint of this car. Most red cars get lack of peel and you lose, and they look bad after a while. The younger cars than this we've resprayed. But this is amazing. Coming down this side, great tread, really good wheel. This side, no parking bruises. Again, unmarked wheel, great tread on the tyre. And even the headlights are bright. They're not, they get sun damage and they get glazed over. Not these. This one's well spec, let me show you. So we have, was an option at the time, the CD player instead of a cassette player. We have air conditioning, which again was an option.
So this is the build list on the car, and as you can see, leather steering wheel, limited spare wheel, which is a rare one, probably seen a handful in the last 3 years. You've got fog lights, air conditioning, and so on. So it's a pretty well spec'd car.
On the seats, there's no tears or stains, and there's no smell in here. Let's start the car. So, on the button, let's put the back lights on so we can see. All the lights have gone out, ticks over smoothly. Sounds sweet. I think everything works as far as I know. So there's no bangs, it drives well. The other thing to note is this car's got full main dealer history. So I think the last service was something like 2016, but it was only 3,000 or 4,000 miles ago. We've just MOT'd it, it came back with no advisories, and we've given it a good clean inside and out. And now you can see it's ready to go again. And come along, see it, drive it, see if you like it. I think you will. Thank you.